Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Pasta Queen Cookbook is probably one of the most anticipated culinary releases of the year, promising to bring the vibrant flavors and authentic Italian cooking techniques of the Pasta Queen, also known as Nadia Caterina Munno, directly into your kitchen. This cookbook is more than just a collection of recipes, it's an invitation to experience the passion and tradition that defines Italian cuisine, offering a gateway to creating memorable meals that will impress family and friends alike with its accessible yet deeply flavorful dishes. Number 5. Snoop Dogg's Cookbook, Platinum Recipes. Get ready to spice up your life with the legendary Snoop Dogg's Cookbook. Discover platinum recipes straight from his kitchen. This collection features beloved soul food recipes, reimagined by a true culinary icon. Experience the flavors that have defined generations. Ever wondered what the stars eat? Now you can cook like one with this exclusive celebrity cookbook. It's your chance to bring a touch of fame to your table. Embark on a flavorful journey with From Crook to Cook. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a taste of a unique life story. Step into the boss Dogg's kitchen and unlock the secrets to his favorite dishes. These are the platinum recipes you've been waiting for. Prepare for an explosion of taste with these carefully curated recipes. Each dish is designed to be both delicious and memorable. What we like. This cookbook brings you authentic soul food recipes from a culinary icon. If you're a fan of Snoop Dogg or looking to explore classic comfort food with a personal touch, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate flavorful, hearty meals with a story. What people say. The Pasta Queen Cookbook is a delightful collection of authentic Italian recipes, perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. This cookbook features stunning photography and clear, step-by-step instructions that make cooking Italian dishes a breeze. From classic spaghetti carbonara to innovative pasta creations, the Pasta Queen Cookbook offers a wide variety of delicious recipes that are sure to impress. Number 4. Half-Baked Harvest Super Simple Cookbook. Craving delicious meals without the fuss? This cookbook offers over 125 recipes designed for quick preparation and ultimate comfort. Save time during the week with our easy meal prepped recipes. Spend less time cooking and more time enjoying your food. Start your day right with simple overnight recipes. Discover a variety of dishes that are perfect for busy mornings. Discover the joy of effortless home cooking. These recipes are perfect for anyone looking for simple yet satisfying meals. This collection is your new go-to for delicious and easy-to-make comfort foods. It's packed with inspiration for every meal. Experience the best of both worlds, super simple preparation and super delicious results. These recipes are designed to impress. What we like. Discover over 125 recipes designed for ease and speed. If you're short on time but crave delicious comfort food, this book is your answer. It's ideal for busy individuals and families looking for simple, satisfying meals that can be prepped ahead. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and produce delicious results. The book is beautifully photographed and inspiring. It's a great addition to any home cook's library, with a good variety of classic and modern pasta dishes. Number 3. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Discover a world of delicious possibilities with over 100 sweet and savory recipes. This book is your ultimate guide to baking fun. From simple cookies to elaborate cakes, you'll find recipes perfect for every occasion. Get ready to create treats everyone will love. Designed with young bakers in mind, these recipes are easy to follow and incredibly rewarding. It's time to get creative in the kitchen. Explore a wide range of flavors, from decadent desserts to savory snacks. You'll be amazed at what you can create with these instructions. Embark on a culinary journey that's both educational and delicious. This book makes baking an enjoyable experience for all. Learn essential baking techniques and create impressive dishes. It's the perfect companion for aspiring young chefs looking to hone their skills. What we like. This is the ultimate guide for young aspiring bakers. If you want to introduce children to the joy of baking with fun and achievable recipes, look no further. It's perfect for families wanting to create delicious treats together. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and yield delicious results. Beautifully photographed, this cookbook is a joy to flip through. It offers a great variety of pasta dishes, from simple weeknight meals to more elaborate weekend feasts. Number 2. LIDIA'S Pot, Pan, and Bowl Cookbook. Discover the versatility of LIDIA'S Pot, Pan, and Bowl. This cookbook offers simple recipes designed for perfect meals, making cooking easier than ever. Unlock the potential of just a few essential kitchen tools. These recipes prove that delicious and satisfying meals can be created with minimal equipment. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your food. The recipes are straightforward and designed for busy individuals and families. Achieve culinary success with every dish. This guide provides clear instructions to ensure your meals turn out perfectly, no matter your skill level. Experience the joy of cooking without the fuss. These recipes streamline the entire process, from preparation to serving, for a truly enjoyable experience. Make this cookbook your essential guide for everyday cooking. It's packed with practical tips and delicious recipes that will become family favorites. What we like. Enjoy delicious meals with minimal cleanup thanks to its focus on simple cookware. If you prefer straightforward cooking and want to reduce the number of dishes you wash, this is the cookbook for you. It's perfect for everyday cooking and those who appreciate efficiency in the kitchen. What people say. This cookbook is filled with delicious and authentic Italian recipes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. The photography is beautiful and inspiring, making the recipes even more appealing. Number 1. Delish Air Fryer Cookbook. Get ready to host the ultimate party with over 75 delicious air fryer recipes. From appetizers to main courses, we've got you covered. This best-selling cookbook features stunning photos for every recipe. Its spiral-bound design lies flat, making cooking a breeze. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Discover recipes for everything from crispy onion rings and mozzarella sticks to juicy chicken. Explore a wide variety of recipes, including perfectly roasted vegetables. You can create healthy and flavorful meals with ease. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with expert tips and clever hacks. Elevate your favorite dishes and impress your guests. What we like. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with over 75 recipes. If you love crispy, guilt-free versions of your favorite fried foods, this is a must-have. It's perfect for anyone looking to make healthier, delicious meals quickly and easily with their air fryer. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and produce delicious results. The cookbook is beautifully designed with stunning photography. It offers a great variety of pasta dishes, from classics to modern twists. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.